Okay, so this LED here it just has two different contacts, left and right, and the polarity doesn't matter because this LED can actually operate with reverse polarity, so that's not a problem. On the left side is connected to, I use a black cable here because this indicates the negative. So this pin on the most left here is the negative, and that connects to the left side of the LED. The right side of the LED, I solder it to a red cable, and the red cable actually connects to the middle pin of the switch, which when I flip this over, you will see that right there. Let me try to get the camera to focus. There. That is the center or middle pin of the switch. So it connects to there. So when this switch is pushed on and there's power going through it, the bottom and the middle will be connected when it's on the on position. So when it's on position, middle and the bottom will be connected together, and the bottom is where the 12 volt source positive is from. So the positive 12 from the bottom is going to be connected to the center pin, which will then make the power flow through the red cable going to this particular terminal here, and then light up the LED. So there is really no mount, and I'm not going to spend some time mounting this because this is not going to cover it right there. I already cut. So this particular plastic piece used to be a lot smaller, and I took a Dremel tool and actually cut out a much bigger hole so that it will show the LED, the bigger LED more, and I think it's going to work just fine. So I'm just going to let it float. It's not touching anything, and I put some electrical tape here and here towards the bottom of this so that in case this does lower so much so that it may touch the board. I don't think it will, but this is just a precaution in case it does. I just put the electrical tape there. So I'm going to put this together, and we're just going to put it back into the truck. Okay, the light has been reinstalled, and right now is on, and I'm waiting for the light to turn off automatically. There's a timer here, and I'll demonstrate. Well, I'll first talk to you guys about how to open it. I forgot to create a video about how to open this particular dome light properly. So this is in a Dodge Ram 1500, year 2015. I think 2014 to 2018 is probably going to be the same. The way to open this dome light properly without breaking anything is to pry it from the left. So you take the whole housing all the way from here, pry it from here using a screwdriver, like a flathead screwdriver. There's a speed clip right here. Speed clip means one of those clip that tensioned by push, and then you can pry it, and it'll collapse temporarily, and it'll snap out. You can snap it back in, snap it back in, and snap it out many times. It's called a speed clip. So all you have to do is pry it. The speed clip will come off, and then it'll swing like a door here. There is a hook here. Be careful not to pull this side out where you are going to loosen the hook, which is a piece of plastic, and you may damage that. After you pry it open, you're able to remove the whole entire assembly, and you can then press the cable. There's a clip on this side, on the top side. There's a clip that you can push on the top side, and you can remove the cable, and you can remove the whole entire assembly. Once you remove the assembly, you can watch the connection diagram, or not diagram, the connection video that I showed you of which cable to use to connect to the LED. So anyways, this works perfectly for me. So I bought the LED from Amazon. There was a pack of 4 for like $4 or $5. So they're $1 each, very cheap. I'll put the link to the LED in the description if you like to get some. But this is much brighter. Let me turn it on for you so that you can see. There you go. You can kind of tell, well, not really. It's kind of blindingly bright. But turn it on, turn it off. So I like it. It's definitely worth the $1 price. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And also, if you like to be notified of videos like this, please click on the bell so that you'll be notified next time I create a video that is useful like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.